Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy here. I am back in Belize. It is the weekend, and what better way to spend it than with a little bit of rest and relaxation coupled with some self-care and maintenance. With my current favorite series playing in the background, I'm starting off with Pedicare. The first thing that I do is add some water to my foot spa. I then add a bit of foot soak to the water. The foot soak that I am using today is from the brand Lucky. I will link it below for those of you who are interested. I then submerge my feet, sit back, relax, and allow my foot spa to do its thing. After about 10 to 15 minutes of soaking my feet, I grab my cuticle trimmer and I proceed to remove any hard or dead skin from around my nail beds. If you're wondering why I did not remove my nail polish, I am wearing gel polish and I do get professional pedis every 4 to 6 weeks. This is just how I keep my feet looking good in between salon visits. In addition to trimming my cuticles, I also use the cuticle pusher to clean the sides and under my nails. After I am done cleaning under and around each of my nails, I grab my heel scrubber and I proceed to scrub my heels really well. I love doing this at home because when I do go to the salon, I don't always get a really good heel scrub. So the fact that I could do this at home and I could get the results that I want, I find to be very great, and it's super inexpensive. You could get this product on Amazon. You could get it at various different stores. I will link one below if you're interested in purchasing one to use at home. The final step in my pedicure routine is to apply cuticle oil. So I apply cuticle oil to each nail as well as to the top and the heels of my feet.
I never sleep, I gotta eat, I gotta dance. I really rap when I get to the dance. How can I shop when I get to 4 Talking to top of my business again. People not out with new business again. I want some top from like 2 sets of twins. Put it, yeah. Hey, bitch, where your friends, yeah. I don't switch. She won't hit me, yeah. All I'm at, all of that bundles of flowers. All I'm at, never know, big dog like ours.
When it comes to hair maintenance, apart from deep conditioning, I like to dust my hair bi-monthly, so every 2 months. For those of you who are not familiar with hair dusting, I will leave a link in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. The benefit of hair dusting though is to remove split ends without actually losing length. Hair dusting is super easy to do. Anyone could do it. For best results, I would suggest you work with dry or blown out hair. That way you could see your split ends much better. I personally though, I do it both ways. So sometimes I work with my hair in its blown out state, and then other times I work with my hair as it is in this video in its natural curly state. I first start off by moisturizing my hair, then I detangle, and finally I dust my ends.
girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them both down and I asked a few questions. That last week and they already best friends, already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now if I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friend.
For those of you who have been here for a while, you know that I am the deep conditioning queen. I'm always gonna sing a song about deep conditioning your hair weekly. So what is a good beauty maintenance video without a deep conditioning portion? The only thing that I am doing differently is I am using a deep conditioner that y'all have not seen me use before. This is the first time I actually picked up this deep conditioner because I like the fact that it came with its own heating cap. I thought that was really interesting, so I wanted to give it a try. I'm getting a bit ahead of myself here, but I found this deep conditioner to work really well. It left my hair feeling soft, the smell was good, and it did provide a lot of moisture. While I wait for my deep conditioner to work its magic, I'm moving on to the dermaplaning portion of this video. I dermaplane my face once a month. The benefit of dermaplaning your face is to remove peach fuzz, which is why I do it, and also to exfoliate the top layer of your skin. Of course, when you are taking any kind of blade to any portion of your face or your skin, you want to be very careful. So to ensure that my blade is able to gently glide across my skin, I first apply a moisturizer. After about 30 minutes of deep conditioning my hair, I hopped back into the shower and proceeded to rinse it all out. My camera died sometime along this portion of the video, so the next two clips you will see were shot using my cell phone. Here, I'm doing my usual out-of-shower routine, which now includes hydrating my skin with this hyaluronic acid moisturizer and spot treating my dark marks with my Ambi Fade Cream. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a great big thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. Be sure to click that subscribe button. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I'm on fire, you off hand. Tell me to say something that's blue off hand. Can't say the same, so use caution. Use caution. Hit me with an F and two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I'm on count, I asked some questions. That last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. That last week and they already best friends.